When your computer slows down, freeing up memory can give it instant relief. In this video, we will show you how to free up RAM in Windows. RAM, or Random Access Memory, is the short-term memory your computer uses for active tasks. When it fills up, everything slows. The quickest fix is to close programs you are not using, especially browser tabs, which consume surprising amounts of memory. Open the Task Manager with Ctrl-Shift-Escape, click the memory column, and see which apps use the most. End the ones you do not need. Restarting your computer completely clears the RAM and often gives the biggest boost. Disable unnecessary startup programs so they do not load and eat memory from the moment you turn on your PC. Reduce background apps in your privacy settings. If a single browser is the problem, try using fewer extensions or a lighter browser. For a lasting solution, consider adding more physical RAM to your machine. With these steps, you can keep your computer responsive even when running many tasks at once.